Our superpower is simplicity.
Our superpower is data,
which translates to substantial physical and mental health benefits for our participants.
We are decreasing clinician burnout
and helping people build their families with love at home.
This device changes care.
The solution we have built will really make the biggest impact and built the right way.
Anyone, anywhere can have a shot at a better, more independent life.
Because we need to send a message to America that we can solve these problems.
We are connecting the dots to a happier and healthier future.
Thank you for joining us tonight. Now, to introduce our MCs for the night, our executive producers, Mark Goldstein, Matthew Holt, Dr. Daniel Kraft, Dr. Stephen Klasko, and Dr. Geeta Naayar, who is filling in for Ann Dosimo, who is stuck at home with COVID. But we're here, so let's have a great night.
Welcome to the 5th Annual Digital Health Hub Foundation Awards. My name is Mark Goldstein, and by day, I'm actually a healthcare venture capitalist. By night, I'm overseeing this event with amazing people to be working with. This is our 2nd year in Vegas, but it's our 1st year on the main show floor at HLTH, and what's new? Well, this year we've added 6 new categories, and what we call category champions, which are basically the best top experts in the world that are supporting us and are basically going to help us talk about how important digital health is. And for the first time ever, we're giving cash grants to select rising star companies. As you saw in the video, we could not be here without our sponsors. These companies are making it happen. And it wouldn't be easy to pull off an event like this, and we're too lucky to have them. Genentech, Eli Lilly, Russell Reynolds, Cooley, the South Korean government, Microsoft. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We also have 15 of the best digital health venture capital firms. And if you're raising money, these firms need to be your top choice. And why? These firms didn't have to donate to this event. They could have done a booth in the show. They did it because they're true believers that changing the face of healthcare matters, and they're in for the long haul. It's also super important to mention our Israeli friends here. We had a number of folks that would have been on stage that can't be here, and we're all upset about this, and we're going to miss a few great presenters today, and our heart's with you guys. And now I'd like to introduce you to my fellow co-producers. First of all, Matthew Holt. Da-da. Matthew founded Health 2.0, and if you don't know him, then you haven't been around that long. That's part of HIMSS now, and he runs the healthcare blog, and he coaches tons of startups. Matthew knows more people in this industry than anyone. He knows where every body is buried and every story that's ever been told to anyone in digital health. Anyone. Dr. Stephen Klasko, who's a general catalyst advisor and more. He's a board member. I'm one of our sponsors. He's a board member of Avia. He's the North American ambassador to the Sheba Medical Center in Israel. He's also been a university president, former CEO of Jefferson Health, and a professor of obstetrics. And perhaps most importantly, he used to be a DJ. And his latest book, called Feeling All Right, he uses music to guide us through the transformation of healthcare. So if you haven't bought that book, buy that book. Dr. Geeta Naayar is stepping in for Ann Domino. Ann is the Chief Medical Officer for United Healthcare. She couldn't be here, but lucky for us, we got Dr. G. So Dr. G has jumped in head first. She's globally recognized as a healthcare technology leader. She's the former Chief Medical Officer of AT&T and Salesforce. And Dr. G is the author of a brand new book called Dead Wrong. And it's a post-pandemic look at the rise of medical misinformation in the digital age. And we're damn lucky to have you. Finally, I got to introduce the last one. I want to introduce our last co-producer, who's Dr. Daniel Kraft, who is unquestionably the industry's leading futurist and projector of telling what's next. And if you haven't been to one of Daniel's conferences, one of his TED Talks, or signed up for Digital.Health, one of his companies, do it. Daniel is the industry's leading futurist, and in my opinion, probably one of the best inspiration we all have for what the future of healthcare is going to be. So, to start us off tonight, he's going to go through our submission process and the judging and everything we've gone through to get here. And with that, I'm turning the mic over to Daniel.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Give it up for Mark, who's really the engine behind all this. I'm Dr. Daniel Kraft. I'm the founder of Digital.Health and NextMed Health. For those of you who haven't seen it, Digital.Health is a platform and a community featuring the award finalists and over 2,500 digital health companies and solutions. It's your place to find, share, and care everything in digital health and as it grows. And NextMed Health is a community and platform I've been exploring and building what's now near next across healthcare. Okay. So let's talk about the Digital Health Awards and its process. It's a pretty lengthy, competitive one. It takes the work of hundreds of pre-vetted digital health expert volunteer judges to compete. And the process is several-fold. First, the first step was open submissions, in which the companies from across the world submitted their solutions for evaluation. We received a record number of submissions in both tracks, over 1,250. And questions for the companies included, what problem are you working to solve? What is your superpower? Who are your customer users? And what clinical and customer validation do you have? Also, what regulatory approvals were received or applications might be in process? And finally, what cost savings and reimbursement mechanisms might there be? So after submissions were closed, the hard work for our judges started, and they reviewed the applications based on the level of differentiation, validation, customer traction, clinical impacts, and potential cost savings. 350 fantastic companies were selected as quarterfinalists. And none of this would have been possible without our fantastic judges. So a big thanks and shout out to our judges and their valuable time, energy, and consideration. If you're judges here, please stand up, give us a wave, and thanks again for all your big help. Big thanks. In the next round, the judges then selected the top companies as our 127 finalists. We also had the help of McKinsey & Company helping judges frame what makes a great sustainable healthcare company. And now, the 40 winners that we'll announce tonight were selected based on their impact, innovation, business model, evidence, and differentiation. So for an easy way to see and browse and learn about the stellar finalist companies and their solutions, just click on the QR code on the screen or go to digital.health and look for the finalist button. Okay. Time to get the party started. The first core category is remote diagnostics tool and remote patient monitoring. So we'll start with this remote diagnostics tool or device category, which awards the digital health device product or solution for remote patient monitoring and or diagnostics. You know, in a world now where distance is no longer a barrier and where technology bridges the gap between patient and physician, we're entering a new era of healthcare. One where monitoring and diagnostics are not confined to the four walls of a hospital, but extend into the very homes and lives of the patients they serve. Catalyzed by the pandemic, remote patient monitoring and diagnostics is increasingly shifting care from hospital to phone to home or hospital, and is leading to more continuous, proactive, personalized insights, feedback loops, and improved outcomes. And presenting this category will be Marie Brozinsky, Chief Strategy Officer for Amwell, former CEO of Conversa. Over to you, Murray.
Thank you, Daniel. It's a real thrill for me to be here to kick off this awards ceremony. Conversa won this award in 2020 for our data-driven digital companions that automate care wherever that's possible in the care journey and seamlessly navigates patients to higher levels of care and other care modalities when that's necessary. And the Digital Health Hub Foundation has been a vital part of our journey as an independent company, and then when we were acquired by Amwell about 2 years ago. You know, they say that home is where the heart is. I don't know any patient who wants their heart in the hospital unnecessarily. This year's finalists for Best Remote Diagnostic Tool or Device are dedicated to keeping those hearts at home. They're on the vanguard of this tectonic shift to remote care and working hard to make this reimagined future possible. I'd now like to introduce Jon Boersma, Senior Vice President of Mendel, the industry's top way to incorporate doctor notes and faxes into structured data flows. And he'll announce the best-in-class winner and the rising stars. Jon?
Thank you, Murray. Thanks so much for that, Murray. I'm pleased to be here tonight and recognize the amazing work these companies are doing. Let me get right to it. The best-in-class finalists in this category are, number one, Huma Therapeutics, Informatica, Validic, and VivaLink. And the winner is Huma Therapeutics. And accepting this award is Kaushik Guni, head of US.
Huma is a highly flexible disease management platform or remote patient monitoring technology. It's in principle available for any disease pathway to help you manage patients through any disease agnostic to that, abolishing the need for point solutions. But actually, Huma's technology is much more than that. It's about flipping the default and helping people take care of themselves at home, not having to go into hospital or clinic all the time, but taking control of their own health.
Well, I'm also thrilled to announce the rising stars as well. The 8 rising star finalists in this category are Idar Health, Inc., Cognita Labs, iMedTech, Inc., Rocket Doctor, Rune Labs, Starling Medical, Wesper, and Xander Cardian, Inc. And the 3 rising stars are Idar Health, Cognita, and Rune Labs.
So accepting these awards are Sathya Lamani, CEO of Adar Health. Adar Health has developed clinically validated software and the MouthLab breath and saliva-based biosensors to deliver evidence-based digital interventions for a wide array of diseases at home. Gaurav Patel is CEO of Cognita Labs. Cognita Labs is on a mission to significantly increase the reach of vital lung diagnostic monitoring and management tools to each patient no matter where they are. And Swati Reichmuth, CEO of Rune Labs. Rune Labs was founded to make clinical brain data useful, but they always remember that brains have owners.
Hey everyone, it's Paul Grand here, CEO of MedTech Innovator. I hate not being there in Vegas with you. Unfortunately, we had the AdvaMed conference exactly on these same days, and the MedTech Innovator finals are literally at the same time. So I can't be there in Vegas, but I am so thrilled to be the category champion for remote diagnostics. I'm very proud to be part of the Digital Health Awards. I've been part of this now since inception, and I can't wait to be with you next year at the conference. Thanks again, and congratulations to all the winners.
The future of healthcare journeys are bright, filled with peace of mind. We envision a healthcare future where diseases are prevented before they progress. We will offer solutions and advanced technology to make your healthcare journey better. Imagine curing a disease developed later in life by utilizing a patient's own cells stored from when they were healthy. Our mission is to shape the advancement of healthcare, not only for developed countries, but for all regions around the world. Healthcare Journey.
Why didn't the doctor believe me? Did I say something wrong? Do we have to experience the same pain and bias as our parents and grandparents? What if they actually gave us access to those clinical studies we learned about and those cutting-edge medicines?
What if we ask the bigger questions? People of color still do not receive equal access to healthcare. We're determined to change this. Join us.
I am really excited to be presenting this new category of health equity. It's a new category, an old problem, sponsored by Genentech and championed by UCSF Solve, the nation's leading health equity incubator. I don't have to tell you, our healthcare system is confusing, expensive, unsafe, and deeply inequitable. Today, though, we're celebrating an optimistic future, brilliant ideas, and companies that will provide health assurance for all, not just make the wealthy healthier. It's really a big change. I'm incredibly proud of this new category in these awards and each company that applied. Every one of you is moving population health, social determinants, and health equity from philosophy to the mainstream of clinical care and payment models. So every one of you is a winner. Could we have a round of applause for everyone? And could the finalists for this category please get up over there where it says finalists? I'm thrilled that presenting this category will be Gregg Talbert, Senior Vice President, Head of Personalized Healthcare and Digital Partnering at Genentech. Gregg?
Thank you. On behalf of Genentech, I'm extremely honored to officially present the Health Equity Award for 2023. Inequities in healthcare and clinical research are multifaceted, and they extend through every aspect of our healthcare ecosystem. For Genentech, health equity is on the top of our agenda, and we're committed to embedding equity in everything we do. But this is more than us. It's a societal problem that can only be tackled when we collaborate with the entire health ecosystem. I therefore congratulate each of the finalists in this category for their important innovations across health products, services, and experience, with the goal to make health equity a reality for all of us. Now to announce the winner and the best in class is Adrian Aguilera, Associate Professor at UC Berkeley.
Thank you, Gregg. Happy to join on stage to announce the winner. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Accendo Wave, Digital Diagnostics, Globo, Propeller Health. And the winner is Propeller Health. Accepting this award is Susa Monacelli, General Manager. Congratulations.
Oh, do you have asthma or COPD? I do. But Propeller makes it easier than ever to manage my asthma, giving me the confidence to live the life I want to live. Oh, how did I get it? Super easy. It all started when I found Propeller online. I enrolled in a few simple steps, I downloaded the free app, and like that, my Propeller kit was shipped to my door. So yeah, I have asthma. But thanks to Propeller, I'm managing it like never before. Propeller Health. Live the life you want to live.
And announcing our rising stars is Tunde Akinnirany from Seven Wire Ventures, a great seed stage fund from which great companies like Obongo and Transcarent and others have emerged. Tunde?
I'm so pleased to be here tonight. The 8 Rising Star finalists in this category are Amplify MD, Duos Living, Genie Life Sciences, Hapitech, Mira, Nitea Labs, Picasso MD, Pluto Health, and Power. And the 3 rising stars are Hapitech, Mira, and Pluto Health.
Woo!
accepting these awards are Yosef Safi Harb, CEO of Happitech. Happitech's goal is to enable the timely detection of heart disease with something everyone in the world has access to, a smartphone. Kang Vong, founder and CEO of Mira. Mira is building a third option for working class Americans to get essential and everyday healthcare regardless of insurance status. And finally, Steve Lesser, VP of Partnerships of Pluto Health. Pluto Health bridges health data and brings personalized care support to address care gaps. Congratulations, all three of you. Congratulations.
In today's healthcare world, digital is more important than ever. From operations and patient experience to finance and clinical outcomes, digital is the enabler of a health system's enterprise strategy and the best lever for growth in a time of rapid change. Avia combines insights from our network of leading health systems with a powerful expert knowledge base and a proven methodology to identify the right opportunities and ensure digital success. That's why we're the transformation partner of choice for 60 leading health systems comprising more than 500 hospitals, and our Avia Marketplace is the place for any hospital to learn about and select the right digital solutions, reducing risk, accelerating time to value, improving outcomes. Avia, advancing digital transformation in healthcare.
So finalists come up on the side of the stage for the patient safety category. This is a new category. It's called patient safety, and it's championed by the Pittsburgh Regional Health Initiative. Well, what's patient safety, and why did we do it? Well, I credit the NIH and BARDA. They really inspired us. Look, COVID hit us like a bag of rocks. We as an industry were grossly underprepared. We didn't know what was going to happen. Well, we're not going to let it happen again. When the next pandemic or outbreak hits, we're going to be waiting, and we're going to have trialed solutions available to us. Presenting this category is Lance Baily, CEO of Healthy Simulation and an advisory board member of the Patient Safety Technology Challenge. Lance?
Thank you so much. My name is Lance Baily. I'm the founder and CEO of HealthySimulation.com, the world's leading resource website for healthcare simulation. And as well, I'm a member of the Patient Safety Technology Challenge Advisory Board. This is a program that was funded by the Jewish Healthcare Foundation and as well administered by the Pittsburgh Regional Health Initiative. So the PRHI established the Patient Safety Technology Challenge in fall of 2022 to address two main key goals. The first, to raise visibility of medical harm. I just want to point out real quick, third leading cause of death in the United States is medical error. OCED estimates $606 billion a year, every single year, wasted due to medical harm in developed countries around the world. The second goal is to support innovators who are developing novel tech patient safety solutions to reduce common causes of harm, like those applied for the Digital Health Awards. So I'm so thrilled to be here tonight as a Vegas local, and thank you again for all of you joining us here today to pay for my state taxes. I really do appreciate that. To be the company here to be the first company to be best in class for the Patient Safety Award. So announcing that, a best in class winner will be Kitty Kolding, who's the CEO of Raisonance. Had a chance to speak with her. They make FX Sentinel, cough into your phone, and their AI will tell you in a near real time if you have COVID or the flu, and no running around to find an antigen test. No kidding, it works. So can't wait to check that out in the pavilion a little bit later on. So Kitty, thank you so much.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction. I'm so pleased to be here tonight. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Commure, Muru, Medcrypt, and Teladoc Health. And the winner is Medcrypt. Woo! Accepting this award is Mike Kajewski, co-founder and CEO. Congratulations. Well done.
Congratulations. Let's scoot this way a little bit for the photo.
Medcrypt was born from this idea of how do we make it easier for device vendors to actually get
core cybersecurity features into their devices with the least level of effort, as well as help them maintain it over the lifetime of the device. Getting these features into the device to ensure patient safety is important. We're actually solving the problem because we passionately believe in fixing this for patient safety.
As the VP of Innovation for the American Nurses Association Enterprise, I encourage you to engage nurses in this process to ensure that we're building impactful solutions. Tonight, help me celebrate the 2023 Digital Health winners. Congratulations.
This is John Gleason, Chief Clinical Officer at Prisma Health. Digital health is important because it has the potential to improve the experience of giving and receiving care. Congratulations to the winners.
All right, are you guys having fun yet? We got awards, we got music, we got mugshots. What more do you want? This next category is an important one. This category recognizes employer-subsidized wellness. As we saw during COVID-19, employer health is public health. Prevention and wellness saves lives and saves dollars. Presenting this category will be Stacy Feld from Johnson & Johnson. Stacy, you're up.
Thank you, Dr. G. I am delighted to introduce the Employer Subsidized Wellness category, spotlighting companies whose aim it is to deliver higher quality, less expensive, less complex care at scale. Their solutions offer early detection of disease, elimination of medical costs, and superior patient experience. And I'd like to welcome Anika Gardenhire, who will now share the best-in-class finalists for this category.
Thank you, Stacy. I'm very pleased to be here tonight. The category for best-in-class finalists include Alight Solutions, Grail Gallery,
Woo!
Capital RX,
Woo!
and
Keep
Carrum
going.
Health.
Woo!
And the winner is Carrum Health.
Carrum is saving employers greater than 45% per procedure, and procedures are backed by a warranty. Carrum has a very unique approach in evaluating providers at the facility levels and then even down to the procedure level, really hyper-focused on identifying the top 10% of surgeons.
Carrum's cancer care includes comprehensive treatments for high-prevalence cancers that includes everything needed for care.
So we're decreasing costs, and the overall patient experience is phenomenal.
And announcing our rising stars is the 2022 winner of this same category and sponsor, Rafael López, co-founder of Diagnostic. Diagnostic is a leading virtual healthcare clinic provider in Mexico, serving McDonald's and other employees with employer-subsidized health. Rafael, welcome.
Thank you. The 8 finalists in this category are Care Heroes, IntelliHealth, Nitia Labs, OnPractice, Osara Health, Plethai, Reperio Health, Yumlish. And the 3 rising stars are IntelliHealth, Plethai, Reperio Health.
Accepting these awards are Sloan Saunders, CEO of IntelliHealth. IntelliHealth aims to change not only how obesity is treated, but also how it is perceived. To combat the stigmatized perception that obesity is merely a lifestyle issue rather than a medical disease. Doug Samarga, VP Sales of Plethai. Plethy supports injured workers in their recovery at home and enables quality outcomes. Recoup is for all musculoskeletal conditions and supports all major joints. Travis Rush, CEO of Propeller Health. Propeller Health modernizes the costly and inaccessible screening processes deployed today to support preventive health for employers and their employees.
I'm Charles Hart, Director of the Catalyst Program, UCSF's Translational Accelerator. I want to offer congratulations to all the finalists and all the winners at this 5th Annual Digital Health Awards.
Hi, I'm Anthony Francis, an Executive Director at UCSF Innovation Ventures. We've been proud to be part of the Digital Health Hub for many years. I'm just here to congratulate everyone, including Mark and his team for putting on the event, all of the contestants, and of course the winners. A special shout out to Scalable Care, one we've been proud to help this year. Have a great night. Oh, and Mark asked me to smile.
All right, we're here at the Digital Health Hub Foundation. We have discovered women. This is a new category. Women's health, championed by Fem Health Insights. I'm an obstetrician, so I don't often get to be in both the conception and birth of a baby, but this is one where I've been involved through both. I've been deeply frustrated throughout my career of the barriers to innovation for women. And over the past year or so, it just seems like it's been heartening to see founders that are bringing real customized care out to women in any stage of their life, wherever they are. These companies that you'll see each have created breakthroughs that will help women feel and know that they can take charge of their and their family's health. Presenting this category will be Dr. Brittany Barreto, founder and chief innovation officer of the great Fem Health Insights and host of the FemTech Focus podcast. Take it away, Brittany.
Thanks, Stephen. Women's health is not just an industry that is thriving, it is a movement. Over 60% of femtech companies have been founded in the last 5 years. We've gone from 1 women's health venture fund to 6 now in the last 3 years. We have 4 accelerators and countless communities popping up around the world. We continue to face adversity with things such as overturning of Roe v. Wade and basic women's rights being pulled away from Afghani women, but predominantly female-led trillion-dollar industry is resilient and thriving. For those who see opportunity and put their money, time, and effort into it, will reap the benefits. Because women's health is, in fact, everyone's health. And announcing our best-in-class winner will be Noel Auguston, and Managing Director of Russell Reynolds and Associates.
Thanks, Brittany. I'm so happy to join you on the stage tonight. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Carrot Fertility, Mobile ODT, Paragen, Volpara Health, and the winner is Carrot Fertility. Accepting this award is Dr. Asima Ahmad, Chief Medical Officer and co-founder. Congratulations.
Is IVF the only option?
Is menopause care covered?
Do I need a lawyer for adoption?
Where can I go for support?
That's a great question. Let me help you find out what's possible.
Carrot provides inclusive, global, lifelong fertility and family-forming support for people of every age, race, income, sex, sexual orientation, gender, marital status, and geography. It's time fertility care included everyone, so you can pursue your possible.
And announcing our rising stars is Adam Dakin, partner of Health Tech of Dream It Ventures. Adam? Adam and microphone, can you please
Special
join?
delivery, thank you. Thanks, Dr. Klasko. And thanks to Mark and the Digital Health Awards team for making my job a little bit easier. All right, the 8 rising star finalists in this category are Aiden, Fertility, Hey Jane, Micah AI Medical, MIDI Health, Molly Surgical, Pelvital USA, Inc., and Swing. All right, the 3 rising stars are Aiden, Fertility, and Hey Jane. Woo!
So what are these companies? Elizabeth Russo, founder and CEO of Aiden. Aiden is a precision medicine company. Their mission is to make scientific discovery just a little more inclusive. Klaus Weimer, head of clinical affairs, USA for Fertility. Fertility is on a mission to transform reproductive care into a transparent process, delivering unparalleled visibility to IVF professionals and patients with its award-winning core Chloe technology, a single intelligent product with an expanding set of capabilities for IVF and fertility preservation. And finally, Alyssa Wagner, the head of medical at Hey Jane. Hey Jane's US-based virtual clinic is putting the power back in people's hands by providing care that's private, safe, supportive, accessible, and convenient for less than the average in-clinic cost of a medication abortion.
Hi, my name is Sarah Benjamin, and I run the healthcare sector for the Israel Economic Mission to the West Coast. On behalf of my organization and myself, I want to issue a huge congratulations to all of the Israeli companies that have made it this far and all of the other finalists.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Karen Knudsen, CEO of the American Cancer Society and ACS CAN. Congratulations to everyone who applied and made it to the stage tonight. We could not be more enthusiastic at ACS about the importance of digital health. We know that this will play a prominent role toward our goal of increasing access to cancer prevention, early detection, and cancer care.
All right, our next category is Pediatric and Adolescent Care Innovation, championed by KidsX. So I'm a medicine and pediatrics trained physician. I'm also fellowship trained in pediatric hematology and oncology, and now the father of 3. So I'm a huge proponent of bringing digital health solutions for kids, who are our collective future, where early intervention has lifelong impact. Of course, growing children aren't just small adults, and effective solutions in this category need to be designed into the workflow and mindset of parents, their kids, pediatricians, schools, and communities. And presenting this category will be Anika Gardenhire, Chief Innovation and Digital Transformation Officer at Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. Anika.
Thank you. Over the last few years, I've seen many promising new digital health technologies being designed specifically for the pediatric population in mind. This growing sector within digital health reflects the increased need for supporting children, adolescents, and their families through innovative tech. I applaud and appreciate the innovators who are focused on pediatric digital health and look forward to the growth of this category over the next decade. I would now like to introduce Larry Moss, President and CEO for Nemours Children's Health, who will be announcing our best-in-class winner. Larry?
So pleased to be here. Thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity to announce the winner in this category. The best-in-class finalists are, in Category 6, Be Me, Cognoa, Hazel Health Incorporated, and Kiddo Health Incorporated. And the winner is Hazel Health Incorporated.
At Hazel, we believe all children deserve to be seen, heard, and cared for. With your partnership, Hazel provides telehealth doctor visits and counseling sessions for students right from your school. Did you know the wait list for ongoing mental health support can be months? But Hazel schedules counseling sessions right when a student needs support. And most students who see Hazel doctors for a physical health concern return to class feeling better in about 15 minutes. Your Hazel team is excited to work with you.
Hi, this is Lee Shapiro, Managing Partner and Co-Founder at Seven Wire Ventures. We are so excited for this year's award ceremony. Congratulations to all the applicants, the finalists, and the winners, and we're looking forward to seeing you at HLTH.
All right, guys, before we get to the next category, in case you missed it, there is a full bar in the back, so I need you to get louder and louder and louder as the program goes on. Thank you, thank you. Our next category is clinical diagnostic device, platform, or tool. As a rheumatologist who deals with esoteric and rare diseases, I know firsthand the impact of better diagnostic devices and tools. You can't treat disease if you don't know what illness you are dealing with. The more tools in your toolbox, the better the outcomes. You guys know that. Presenting this category is Jonathan Weiner, founder, chairman, and CEO of HLTH. Let's give it up for Jonathan. You got this, Jonathan. Everyone's not watching you, don't worry.
Hello, thank you. Thanks for being here. It's an absolutely amazing time in healthcare, and we're so happy and we're thrilled and thankful that all of you have decided to spend your time at Health. There's so many activities going on during the event, and this is one of my favorite, and I really, really am excited about the Digital Health Awards and working with the team here. It's a first-class organization. So I will keep it brief. Announcing our best-in-class winners will be Kenjiro Fujio, Director of Sysmex. Have a great time, have a great tomorrow, and thank you again for giving us our time, your valuable time in coming to Health. Thank you.
Thank you, John. I am pleased to be here to join you tonight on stage to honor this important work these companies are doing. The finalists in this category are Butterfly Network, HeartFlow, HeartX Group, IBEX Medical Analytics. And the winner is HeartFlow Inc.
HeartFlow is a personalized medical technology company dedicated to transforming the way cardiovascular disease is managed. Its flagship product, the HeartFlow FFRCT analysis, is the first and only non-invasive technology for coronary artery disease that offers insight on both the extent of a coronary artery narrowing and whether it is impacting blood flow. HeartFlow provides these two pieces of information based on a standard coronary CT scan.
Did you get a drink yet? He did. You guys got to catch up. You guys got to catch up. And announcing our rising stars is Peter J. Bay, CEO of KIC SV. Welcome, Peter.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark and Matt. Very pleased to be here today. So, the 8 finalists in these categories are our state Astet Medical, CyberLiver, iNuke, Flowsonics Medical, Journey Biosciences, Optina Diagnostics, Particle Health, and ViewMind. And the 3 rising stars are CyberLiver, Flowsonics Medical, and Particle Health.
Accepting these awards are Ravin Bodu, co-founder and COO for CyberLiver. CyberLiver's mission is to revolutionize the liver care pathway through innovative digital medicine solutions and improve the lives of individuals affected by liver diseases. Mai Elfarnawani, CEO of Flusonics Medical. Flusonics Medical was founded on the mission of improving patient care through technology-enabled solutions and services that clinicians love. Steve Swank, CRO of Propeller Health. By breaking down data silos, Propeller Health is on a mission to provide the most comprehensive, high-quality, and actionable healthcare data in order to drive the rapid creation of intelligent solutions.
Hi everyone, Avia here with Plug and Play. I'm so excited to see so many portfolio and alumni companies of ours represented across the board. We're super honored to be here and excited to see all the winners of this year's Digital Health Awards. Congratulations and best of luck to all the finalists.
Okay, you've been waiting for me, haven't you? All my fans, thank you. I have two. All right. Coming up, one of our most important categories, mental and behavioral health. Look, since the pandemic, we know that depression, anxiety, and many serious mental illnesses are rampant in our society, and not just on the stage. Look, we don't have enough therapists or the right kind of drugs to treat everyone who needs it well, but using telehealth and automated scalable care platforms, the companies in this category are really helping deliver a whole new type of care to millions and millions of people. All right, presenting this category is Josh Seidenfeld. He's the partner and chair of digital health at Cooley. Josh.
All right, thank you. Well, we are so pleased to support the Digital Health Hub Awards. Cooley has counseled over 7,000 private high-growth companies, from newly formed ones to some of the most sophisticated businesses in the world, including over 600 digital health innovators. As a council doing the most VC financings in the US and in the world, we're very proud and passionate about helping founders achieve their goals and to help lower the cost of healthcare and improve patient outcomes. Without further ado, let me introduce Soha Choi, partner, Health and Life Sciences Tech at Signify, who will be announcing our best-in-class winner. Congrats.
Great, thank you, Josh. I am thrilled to be here tonight. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Bicycle Health, Brightside Health, RIA Health, and Teatros. And the winner is none other than Brightside Health. Congratulations.
At Brightside Health, we know that everyone experiences anxiety and depression in their own way. That's why we connect each new Brightside member with a dedicated provider who works one-on-one with you throughout your treatment. Whether you need medication, therapy, or both, your care plan is built around your unique needs, so you start feeling better faster. You can schedule your first session in as little as 24 hours, and we even have nights and weekends available. So take the first step and visit brightside.com today.
Announcing our rising stars is Victoria Reaper. She's the CEO and founder of Better Me. Come up, Victoria. This is a wellness app based in the Ukraine, and our thoughts obviously with everyone in the Ukraine. Has over 100 million downloads. Victoria.
Thanks, Matthew. I'm so pleased to be here tonight with all of you. There are 8 Rising Stars finalists in this category. Rising Stars is Beamy Health, Ellipsis Health, Flow Neuroscience, Mansion Life, Marrow, Mobile Interactive, Rooted, and Scalable Care. And the 3 rising stars are Ellipsis Health, Flow Neuroscience, and Rooted.
Okay, accepting these awards are Susan Selinsky. She's the co-founder of Ellipsis Health. Ellipsis is creating an entirely new standard for mental health diagnosis by using voice as a biomarker for mental well-being. Erin Lee is the CEO of Flow Neuroscience, which is delivering transformative and drug-free mental health treatments to everyone by using a virtual headset. And finally, Anya Wysocka. She's a CEO of Rooted. Their mission is to provide relief from the debilitating effects of panic attacks and anxiety. And I'm particularly looking forward to their market entry into Australia. Any Aussies in the crowd? Get my joke? Not one? Come on.
Congratulations to this year's winners. Congratulations especially to the winners who are part of Matter, who are part of the 850 companies that we've worked with since we launched in 2015. But congratulations to every winner. This is a great recognition of the work you're doing to improve the lives of patients in the United States and around the world.
How we connect is what makes us human. Lilly has been connecting with patients for nearly 150 years, helping more than 58 million people around the world. Now, we are connecting in exciting new ways, unleashing the tremendous potential of digital technologies, performing connected clinical trials that leverage digital biomarkers, precision sensors, and wearable technologies, all designed to help speed clinical development and acceptance of more personalized therapies. Our teams keep their finger on the pulse of innovation, from diabetes to cancer, from immune disorders to Alzheimer's. We're connecting patients to research, resources, and care teams to better understand and improve health outcomes, changing lives for the better.
All right, our next category is Consumer Wellness, presented by Eli Lilly. It's focused on digital health solutions that empower consumers to take control of their health and prevent conditions from occurring or from worsening. And presenting this category will be Charlie Haddad, Associate Vice President of Digital Health at Lilly. Charlie.
As you can see from our video, we see a very exciting future for healthcare powered by innovative medicines and digital health solutions. And we're relying on all of you to work with companies like us to help us bring this innovation to life. We're so excited to be a sponsor for Consumer Wellness Award and all the companies are doing to give agency and confidence to all people in their self-care. Our Lilly team is happy to talk with companies and explore ways that we can work together on this mission to focus in our critical disease areas. And I'd just like to congratulate all the winners and nominees for the significant impact that all of you are making with your cutting-edge healthcare solutions. So announcing our best-in-class winner will be the 2022 winner of the Consumer Prevention category and sponsor Bobby Sapuka, CEO of Interwell Health. Welcome, Bobby.
Thank you, Charlie. It is my pleasure to announce the best-in-class finalists in this category are Alto Pharmacy, Nuheara, Ophelia, and Outset Medical. And the winner is Outset Medical. Accepting this award is Kulwant Sandhu, Vice President.
You can literally take this machine anywhere, hook it up to a faucet, and perform dialysis.
The remote connection between the machine, patient, and nurse, I think is amazing.
I am able to fit Tableau and the supplies that I need in my home.
Feels good to feel good.
Best machines ever. Thank you.
All right. And announcing our rising stars is the 2022 winner of the Consumer Wellness category and sponsor Ed Likovich, CEO of Nimble Science.
Thank you so much. The 8 Rising Star finalists in this category are Able Health, Psionic, Concha Labs, No RX Health, Osara Health, Paloma Health, Sond Health, Soundwave Hearing. And the 3 rising stars are Psionic, Osara Health, and Sond Health.
Accepting these awards are Brian Kalanick, VP of Strategy and Business Development for Psionic. Psionic is a bionic clothing company on a mission to superpower human mobility, empowering people of all abilities to move without limits. Nick Thielman is Head of Business Development for Osara Health. Osara Health is empowering people and organizations affected by cancer to thrive using expertise, empathy, and technology. Jim Bradley is Senior Vice President for Sales at Son Health. Son Health is the leader in voice-based health monitoring and aims to unlock voice as a vital sign and a meaningful predictor of health. Congrats to all of them.
I'm Mike Dowling. I am the President and the CEO of Northwell Health. These awards are an opportunity to recognize extraordinarily innovative companies who produce extraordinary products, maximizing and optimizing the use of technology. My congratulations to all. My congratulations to all who made submissions, and my congratulations to the winners. You advance care by doing this. So to all of you, congratulations.
Hi, my name is Hubert Zaitchik. I am the CEO and co-founder of Health Wildcatters in Dallas, Texas. This is a wonderful day of celebration of those who have made an impact in digital health and thereby helping people. I am happy to congratulate our winners, but not just those, all of those who participate and move the dial in digital health.
All right, can we have the finalists for the Longevity Awards please stand up where it says finalists? I have no idea why, as a 69-year-old, they asked me to give the Longevity Award. I assume it was random. But it is a new category this year. I'm glad it is, because I've been thinking a lot about that lately. And it's also exciting because it's championed by Dr. Mike Roizen. As we talk about AI and what happens when online meets offline and the human in the middle and large language models and all the fourth industrial revolution technologies, which is what I do a lot of at General Catalyst, we've recognized the importance of rewarding companies that are concentrating in that human in the middle when online meets offline. Think about it. Every toast at weddings, bar mitzvahs, any events are to life or to health. This category embodies, by Mike, celebrates longevity and wellness. And Mike, in some respects, sort of invented wellness. He ran the Cleveland Clinic's Wellness Center, and with co-author Mehmet Oz, is the world's #1 best-selling author. You can check it out. I didn't believe it either, but I checked it out on Amazon, and it's actually true. That's on books on wealth and wellness. So, he's been a long supporter of our awards. Go Mike. He's been co-founder of Real Age and author of The Great Age Reboot. Presenting this category, a little drum roll, Mike Roizen, Chief Wellness Officer Emeritus at Cleveland Clinic. Mike, it's great to see you again.
Thank you. It's a privilege. It's a privilege to be here. There are over 150 companies that presented or, if you will, applied for this, and they all do a couple of things. Now, I'm wearing this jacket. Mark, thank you for this jacket. Probably Melissa, thank you.
You look good in orange, Mike. You should try that more often.
Well, it's a Cleveland Browns color. But there are a couple in it, which is the only thing good about the Cleveland Browns, right? But there are a couple of interesting things and innovations in this compared to normal jackets. One, it has zippers. So when you go through TSA and you put it through the X-ray machine, you don't lose anything.
Good point.
The second thing is it's very light and warm. So, meaning it
all right. Wow. Never thought you'd be doing that, but okay.
But the two innovations are what longevity is all about. It has two things, right? It has how long you live, so everybody should pay attention to this, but also how well you live, that is, living free without disability. And every one of the finalists in this worked on both categories. That's really important. So to nominate and to announce the best-in-class winner, Jason Langhire, I think he went to school with my son, so, if you will. And he's the founder and CEO at FoodSmart.
Thanks, Mike. Jason Langhire, so happy to be here with all of you tonight. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Helix, Intiscare, Coda Health, and nimble science. And the winner is Helix.
Accepting this award is Hilton
With
Calvaria.
population genomics, we're going to be able to diagnose diseases early when we can still prevent them. And that means catching cancers before they even form, or finding out that you might have risk for heart disease before you even have heart disease, and making sure that people live longer and healthier lives. So today, when you go see your physician, they have a general assessment of you, but in the future with population genomics, they're really going to be able to personalize your care for you in particular.
I'm Chihiro Hosoya, Head of Open Business Creation for RX Plus business at Astellas Pharma. I'm so excited to see amazing companies making great progress to create new value for patients. Huge congratulations to the winners.
So surgical transformation, another new category, and it's championed, our champion is Doc SF. And Dr. Stefano Bini, on top of being a world-class MSK doc, and also, by the way, he's my doc, he knows my knee all too well, runs Doc SF. And it's the world's leading center on technology and MSK, everywhere. It's the top community. He runs conferences worldwide. He's the third authority on all things around the transformation in the surgical suite. Look, the speed of technological change in orthopedics alone is dizzy. And there's no better man in the world to take it from here. So presenting this category and announcing our best-in-class winner, but before, I want everyone to make sure they have a Paloma back there, because we got a lot of Palomas left, is Dr. Stefano Bini, founder of Doc SF. Take it away.
Thank you, Mark, and congratulations to everybody who's come before. We've had some incredible winners, and I'm very honored to be here to introduce for the first time at HCL, but also Digital Health Awards, the concept of a Surgical Transformation Award. Keep in mind that the surgical suite is probably what keeps most hospitals open these days. It is a huge revenue center. It is also a massive opportunity for technology companies in AI, robotics, 3D printing, you name it. Every technology we hear about here is perfectly suited for the surgical space. With minor differences and minor opportunities in growth, have massive opportunity in revenue. And with that, we have several companies that are tackling various aspects of what it can be to improve the care in the operating room. And you'll be very well suited to seek out these companies to follow, because I think that the three that have risen to the top truly are some of the best companies in this space. So without further ado, let me introduce the finalists for this category. First, Alive Medical. Second, Case Control. Third, Medical Microinstruments. Fourth, Insight Surgical. Fifth, Osso VR and Theater Inc. Please give them all a healthy round of applause. They're great, great companies. The winner is Insight Surgical, and accepting this award is Nathaniel Smith. Congratulations, Nathaniel, on the work you're doing at Insight.
Today, healthcare relies on subjective data like surgical opinion and operative notes. Hospitals face retained objects, surgical site infections, fatalities, and wasted resources. Insight Surgical is building a parallel video healthcare record based on truly objective data. Our privacy-forward, non-discoverable platform gives your organization data insights into your cost, efficiency, and surgical quality. Reach out to us and connect so we can empower your team to drive higher quality, top-in-class efficiency, and cost reduction together.
Hi,
my name is Jess Mega, and I'm a cardiologist and co-founder of Baily. Thank you all for being part of this digital health community. You inspire us to innovate to improve human health, and importantly, to continue to challenge complacency. Congratulations to each of you for this important and challenging work, and particular praise to the awardees tonight.
Hi, this is Ken Trauner. I'm the Chief Innovations Officer at the Permanente Medical Group. And I want to say what a great job the Digital Health Hub Foundation is doing in providing exposure to top-tier digital health companies. And also, I'd like to personally extend my congratulations to this year's winners.
Okay, AI. And here we go. This category is championed by the Global Health Impact Network Fund, an early stage VC that specializes in dental health investments. And let's talk about a category that gets a lot of attention. This category had by far the most company submissions. We couldn't even figure it out. We basically had 450 company submissions, and we sat, how are we going to help our judges figure out 450 companies? So we actually got the help of McKinsey & Company, because they're really good at breaking stuff down. And we created 4 AI subcategories to help our judges make sense of it all. And we split them down to patient-facing uses, institutional use cases, and back-end processes. And sure, AI is everywhere, but these companies have been selected from all of these, of the 450, because they're obviously offering something really different. We had a lot of judges in this category. So if you're winning this AI award this year, you're pretty damn good. So these companies really need your attention. So please take a close look at them, because they represent the future of healthcare. Well, presenting this category is Sally Frank. She's head of global healthcare and life sciences for Microsoft. Sally?
Thanks, Mark. And as much as I would like to be the global lead for health and life sciences for Microsoft, it's just for Microsoft for startups. So a slightly smaller scope. But what we do at Microsoft for Startups is help early stage companies grow and scale, obviously on Microsoft technology. And in healthcare and life sciences, we are focused on really helping in the delivery of care. And we're very excited to be part of this event today and to be part of the digital health ecosystem. So the best in-class finalists in this category are Butterfly, Clearly, Quimbin, and WellDoc. And the winner is Clearly. Accepting this award is Dr. Jim Min, CEO and founder.
Clearly's web-based application for comprehensive analysis of coronary CT angiography combines multiple software solutions into a single, seamless user experience for healthcare professionals. Using our proprietary series of machine learning algorithms, our AI-enabled analysis delivers a precise evaluation of coronary artery disease regarding the extent, severity, and type of coronary plaques and arterial narrowings present in a patient's heart.
And announcing our rising stars is Mickey from Hike Ventures.
Thank you, Mark. Pleased to be here. The 8 Rising Star finalists in these categories are Average, Diagnostics, Ellipsis Health, Imagine, Kintsugi, Panjidera, Regard, and then Skin Analytics. And the 3 rising stars are Average, Diagnostics, and then Imagine. Congratulations.
And I'm delighted to announce that the awards are being accepted by Shiv Rao, CEO of Abridge. And Abridge is the leader in generative AI for healthcare. It summarizes medical conversations and structures them into medical records in real time. And he can even understand what Matthew Holt has to say. Barely. Kanshika Rao, co-founder of Diagnostics. Diagnostics is working with providers and pharma to save millions of lives by using their AI for early diagnostics and by seamlessly intervening in the clinician's workflow. And by Avia Aramani, VP of Marketing for Imaging. Imaging is powering physicians with immediate oncology intelligence to ensure optimal treatment for all cancer patients.
Hi, I'm Matt Kozlov, Managing Director of the Techstars Healthcare Accelerator in partnership with Cedars-Sinai, Point32 Health, UC Irvine Health, and United Healthcare. In our program, with the help of our partners and mentors, we help world-class digital healthcare entrepreneurs achieve years of traction in a matter of months. Congratulations to all the companies who applied and made it to the stage today, and extra congrats if you're a Techstars alum.
All right, it's Next Gen Telemedicine. I'm pretty upset no one has got Mia Paloma yet. What's going on? Come on, crowd, work it. All right, so as some people have mentioned, I'm an old man. Maybe not as old as some. But I remember American Well Teladoc launching at Health 2.0, 2008, right? So it's taken us forever. But we're finally getting beyond one-to-one video chats with the clinician. We're building on the power and tools of all our new technology to deliver comprehensive 24/7 scalable care. And that is the objective. All right. So presenting this category is a man who was presenting at Health 2.0 in 2008 and 2007. The old man, President of Startup Health, Unity Stokes, my good buddy.
Thanks, Matthew. I remember those early days in 2000. Something extraordinary is happening today. I don't know if you feel the same way, but a new innovation foundation is emerging. And it's becoming clear by the day that we're at a dawn of a new era of exponential progress for human health. But two important things are different today. First of all, there's now an incredible ecosystem of tens of thousands of amazing, talented innovators like those in this room. Back then, it was just a few of us.
Only about 50.
And second, today, today's health transformers are really building with a new species of innovation in the form of advanced AI that's merging with allied technologies in the form of genomics, biologics, material science, sensors, mind-blowing hardware, really to create a new super tool that's really embedding into the fabric of our lives at home and work. So this is very exciting. Just want to congratulate, again, all of the amazing nominees and winners this evening and get to the best part. Announcing our best-in-class winners will be Keisuke Mitsuka, who is Associate Director of RX Plus with Open Business Creation at Astellas Pharma.
Thank you, Unity. I'm so glad to be here tonight with you all. The best-in-class finalists in this category are Oshi Health, Pathly Health, Title Care, and Worry Health. And the winner is Title Care.
The clinic has come home. Home Smart Clinic by TytoCare.
All right, announcing our rising stars. This is Darcy Foreman. She's the Chief Delivery Officer, that was about a mouthful, from Science 37. Big winner in the clinical trials category, and the 2022 best-in-class winner in this telehealth category. Darcy.
Thank you. The 8 Rising Star finalists in this category are CareBridge, Include Health, Moto, Nest Collaborative, Neuroglee Therapeutics, Sana Health Inc., Scene Health, and Teleview Innovation. And the 3 rising stars are CareBridge, Nest Collaborative, and NeuroGlee Therapeutics.
All right, accepting these awards are Puneet Singh. Hang on, you're Amy Gleason, you're not Puneet Singh. No, you're Puneet Singh, and you're both coming together. That must be cheating. From CareBridge. So CareBridge looks after very sick people at home, and it's also just got announced #1 in the Inc. 5000, so they're not a rising star much more. All right, the other 2, Nest Collaborative, Amanda Gorman, she's just walking off. She's a pediatric nurse who they support at-home breastfeeding. And Anuj Patel, who's the founder of Moto. Moto's mission is to provide high-quality, convenient clinical care and support to empower individuals with autoimmune conditions so they improve their health and live their best life.
We're a nonprofit supporting innovative young startups with world-changing ideas. We're so excited to sponsor this year's Rising Star grants at the Digital Health Awards.
Thank you, Michael, for making these grants available. So I can't believe here we're giving out all this money and there's only like 150 people here. It's crazy. But that's what happens when you're, at the end of a show and you lose and people leave. But what we have are 5 amazing companies that are winning the first $50,000 awards. So Michael's in Europe and he can't join us, but a committee has basically selected these 5 winners. Why did these companies win the first cash awards? 1, they have an audacious vision, huge. They want to change the world. 2, the likelihood that we all thought that the founders are going to beat the odds and make a commercial difference. 3, that it's an earlier stage company that might have not attracted a big group of institutional investors yet, so that $50,000 actually matters. So companies, please come up. We're going to take a quick photo with you, with all the executive producers, and your check. So come on up on the stage. And our first 5 grant winners are Adar Health, an amazing home diagnostic solution that detects remote vital signs from breathing into a device at home. Able Health, an incredible gut health checker with top-notch early-stage clinical support. Morrow, a company dealing on the front lines of high school mental health crises. Pangea Health, like our sponsor at Mendel.ai, that extracts keywords from doctors' notes. Skin Analytics, a company way ahead in app-based skin and mole cancer detection. Really impressive group. Congratulations, guys. This wasn't easy.
All right, so we're nearly home. Well, those of you who had enough palomas and are staying here, that's great. When this award category started, Mark was trying to get me to present some kind of Lifetime Achievement Award, and we couldn't figure out who to give the award to and who deserved it. But on the spot, I said, well, let's give everyone, make them the first induction class to the new Hall of Fame. And so we inducted 3 entrants right then and there. And so far, we've inducted 11 leaders from health tech companies into the Hall of Fame. Tonight, we're adding just 1 more. He's pretty special, though. Okay. But also, for years, I've been hoping that these digital health companies will be putting big traditional healthcare systems, like Jefferson, out of business, but it's clearly not going to happen, right? The way these technologies are actually going to get used by more people is by integrating them into the workflow of mainstream healthcare providers. So Steve's suggestion, we're also including our first entrant in a new category of people who both buy and promote digital health within that traditional healthcare system, just before General Catalyst buys the whole thing, I understand. All right. So I'm super proud to announce that the first of our two Hall of Fame entrants is the original bad boy of health tech on the internet, Jonathan Bush. So, Jonathan, come on up. Before anybody had heard of SaaS or the cloud, Jonathan built Athena Health to be the first major online and publicly traded physician practice management and EMR vendor. So now he's reinventing health data, accessing the new world with Zeus Health. He's having a rival party across the corner, but he very nicely came all the way here. Jonathan.
Matthew.
Congrats, man. Say a word.
Thank you. And this on the Home Shopping Network is a lightly used entrepreneur. He's only been doing it for 22 years, and he's a little overweight, and he's a little angry, but he still works. And you can call the 800 number on your screen and have him to run your company.
Fired yet?
Not yet fired, no. I mean, not yet fired again.
Not yet fired again. Okay, so you're still hanging out at Zeus.
Yes.
That's well.
Zeus, yes, and Firefly. I have my Firefly.
You are the executive chair of Firefly.
Yeah, and there's so many great companies that are making me look good.
Making you look good, and maybe could take you on a CEO at any time.
Making me look less angry and fat, I guess, is another way to look.
All right. Congratulations, Jonathan.
Thank you, guys.
It's not often that you get to really congratulate a great friend, and our second nominee and inductee is Jonathan Gleason. Jonathan came to work for me at Jefferson and totally revolutionized what we were doing in quality and safety, partnered with Aramark during the pandemic to literally make sure that people knew they were safe. He's deployed and designed clinical operating systems across several of the nation's largest healthcare systems, as well as in retail environments. He's had a really unique approach to human-machine teaming. It's disruptive, it's achieved unprecedented results. Prisma, where he is now the CCO, was named one of the 3 top quality health systems in the country. And probably most importantly to me, he's been one of the leaders around folks that are disabled and making sure that they get access to care. So this is one of those both personal and professional absolute thrills for me to present a Hall of Fame award to Dr. Jonathan Gleason.
Thank you, Steve. What an amazing thing. I really appreciate this. So a couple thoughts. One is, it is incredible what can be accomplished when you create a clinical operating system at the point of care. The ability with that approach to achieve unprecedented results is just enormous. And so I want to share one other thought, which is based on what Steve just said. If we can focus on designing care that is wonderful, safe, and accessible for people that don't have typical abilities, we're going to make it radically better for all of us. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Jonathan. Woo!
Congratulations. Those are 2 amazing people. Athena Health, basically, if you think of EHR systems and be able to compete with Epic and what they've done, what Jonathan did with that business alone. But then also when you think of basically Prisma Health and how they were a champion of all of us companies out there and helping us buy stuff. Thank you. You guys are without companies like you, without entrepreneurs like you, it wouldn't happen. Well, that was the Hall of Fame, and that's a wrap. We're basically done here. I mean, it's a surprise. We've still got more Palomas left, but each year our award program has grown. Our goal is really, we want to be the Oscars of healthcare. That's our goal. We're pretty clear. It's health, wellness, good food, making people healthy. I mean, what the hell? There should be an Oscars for this, and the companies that won today deserve it. And so what I really also want to do is bring everyone else up here. We could have not done it. This executive producer team, we worked all year to put this together. We also have an amazing group behind the scenes. Melissa Faulkner and her entire team, come on up. And it's been absolutely, we could not have done it without you guys. I don't know what else you've got to say here, sir.
No, just look, we appreciate, first of all, you folks that have stuck around, but the ability to sort of be a horse whisperer between the traditional healthcare ecosystem and the digital health world is really what gets me excited. I think, Mark, every year this is going to get bigger and bigger. I just use a quote that I like to use. When Jason Kidd went to the Dallas Mavericks, he said, we're going to turn this team around 360 degrees. We're finally not turning healthcare around 360 degrees. So thank you, Mark, and thank you, my co-producers.
Daniel, guys, thanks. And anything else, or let it wrap? All right, I'm told that we have, there's the Innovators Reception that's taking place over at the Wynn. Everyone should go over there because the drinks will continue. Thank you. Have a great night. And we're glad you guys hung out till the end. All right. Oh.